Shri Parashakti Vidyala CBSE Class 8th Standard Subject Mathematics.
Good morning, students. In the earlier classes, you have known that angle sum properties. Now, let us recall that angle sum property, that is, the sum of the measures of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. The sum of the measures of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. That is, triangle has three sides and three angles. Totally, triangle has 6 types. For example, you take this triangle. This triangle has 3 sides and 3 angles. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3. Now, what's the angle sum property? Sum of these 3 angles of a triangle is 180 degree. That is, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to 180 degree. These 3 angle measures, sum of these 3 angle measures is 180 degree. This is an angle sum property for triangle. Then the sum of the measures of the quadrilateral is 360 degree. Quadrilateral has 4 sides and 4 angles. How to say the sum of the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Now, you can split the quadrilateral into 2 triangles like this. So, the first triangle, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3. Sum of these 3 angles is 180 degree, and also sum of these 3 angles, angle 4 plus angle 6 or angle 5 plus 6, angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 6 is also 180 degree. So, this quadrilateral is divided into 2 triangles. Sum of the angles of each triangle is 180 degree. Therefore, you get the sum of the angles of a quadrilateral is 180 plus 180. 180 plus 180 is 360 degree. From that, you can say the sum of the measures of the quadrilateral is 360 degree. Then, exercise 3.1, sixth sum, find the measure x in the following figures. A, B, அப்படிங்கிற 2 sumsல 2 figures. Then first one la quadrilateral, second one லையும் quadrilateral தான் கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. இதுல first one பார்க்கலாம் இப்போ. First one ல 3 angles கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. one angle, fourth angle கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். அதே மாதிரி second one ல 2 angles are given. One angle is x. Now to find the measure of angle x. Then next one angle is not given. So first to find that angle, then to find the measure of x. So solution பார்க்கலாம். The first one a sumக்கு நம்ம இப்போ solution பார்ப்போம். a sumல நமக்கு கொடுத்திருக்கிற figure என்ன அப்படினா 4-sided figure. 4-sided figureனாலே என்ன figure அப்படினா quadrilateral. So இப்போ quadrilateralோட angle sum property என்ன? Sum of the all interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360. Sum of the angles of a triangle is 180. நமக்கு இங்க கொடுத்திருக்குது quadrilateral. So இப்போ quadrilateralக்கு angle sum property என்னங்கிறத first எழுதிக்கணும். Sum of the all angles of a all interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. The quadrilateral has 4 sides and 4 angles. So, sum of the 4 angles, 4 interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. That is x plus 50 plus 130 plus 120 is 360 degree. Therefore, 50 degree plus 130 degree plus 120 degree plus x equal to 360 degree, which implies, now to add these three measures, 50 plus 130 plus 120 is 300. So we get 300 degree plus x equal to 360 degree, which implies x equal to 360 degree minus, now to transpose this 300 to the right hand side. So it comes minus 300. Now 360 minus 300 is 60 degree. This is an unknown measure x value, x equal to 60 degree. Now to get an angle measure, x is 60 degree. Then next sum, this is a given figure. This figure is a quadrilateral shape. Quadrilateral has 4 sides and 4 angles. From that, 2 angles are given. Then x is unknown measure. Then here one exterior angle marking is given, but interior is not given. So first to find this angle, next to find the measure of x. Here to take this unknown angle is A, the exterior angle marking is, this means 90. These two angles are linear pair. Linear pair means adjacent angles. Linear pair means adjacent angles, and their angle measure is supplementary. Sum of the angle is supplementary. Supplementary means sum of the two angles is 180 degree. Therefore, 90 plus A equal to 180 degree. These two angles are linear pair. From that to find the value of A, which implies A equal to 180 minus 90 degree equal to 90 degree. Then to use the angle sum property of quadrilateral, that is sum of the all interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. From that we get, to find the sum of these 4 angles, that is x plus 70 degree plus 60 degree plus this A means 90 degree, which is equal to 360 degree. From that to find the value of unknown measure x. So we have x plus 70 degree plus 60 degree plus 90 degree equal to 360 degree, which implies x equal to 360 degree is 360 degree minus sum of the three measures 70 plus 60 plus 90 is 220 degree equal to 140 degree. 360 degree minus 220 degree is 140 degree, which implies the unknown measure x is 140 degree. Then see sum. You see the figure here. This shape has 5 sides. So this shape name is a pentagon. 5-sided figures are called pentagon. In this pentagon, to find the unknown measure x, the given measures are 2 exterior angles and 1 interior angle. From these measures to find x value. Here, first two, using by these exterior angles to find the adjacent angles. Here, one exterior angle is 70 degree. Their interior angle is, to let A. To let us the unknown angle A, and the another unknown angle is B. 70 plus A is 180 degree. 180 means the two angles are linear pair. Linear pair or supplementary. Supplementary means sum of two angles. Sum of two angles is supplementary. The linear pair angle is supplementary. Therefore, now we have 70 plus A. 70 degree plus A equal to 180 degree, which implies A equal to 180 degree minus 70 degree equal to 110 degree. Therefore, the measure of A equal to 110 degree. Then, another linear pair is 60 degree plus B. 60 degree, and this unknown value, unknown measure, let us B. Therefore, 60 degree plus B equal to 180 degree, which implies B equal to 180 degree minus 60 degree equal to 120 degree. We get the unknown measure B is 120 degree. Then, using by the angle sum property to find the measure of angle X. What's the angle sum property for pentagon? Sum of the all interior angles of the pentagon is 540 degree. That is angle sum property for pentagon. Using by that to find the value for X. We know that sum of the all interior angles of the pentagon is 540 degree, which implies A plus B plus X plus 30 degree plus X equal to 540 degree. These five angles are the given angles A, B and X. These are unknown angles. The measuring 30 degree is only given. Therefore, sum of these 5 angles, pentagon has 5 angles, therefore sum of these 5 angles is 540 degree. Then to substitute A by 110 degree, B is 120 degree, then X plus X is 2X, then this 30. Now we have 110 degree plus 120 degree plus 30 degree plus 2X equal to 540 degree, which implies now to find the sum of these three measures. 110 plus 120 plus 30 is 260 degree plus 2x equal to 540 degree, which implies 2x equal to 540 minus 260 degree. Then we get 2x equal to 540 minus 260 equal to 280. Then x equal to 280 degree by 2. Now to transpose this 2 to the right hand side, that is 280 by 2. 280 by 2 is 140. Now our answer x equal to the unknown measure x is 140 degree. Then D sum. The given figure is this. This is a regular pentagon. This pentagon has 5 sides. 5 sides are equal. Therefore, this pentagon shape is a regular pentagon. Now to write the property, sum of the all interior angles of the pentagon is 540 degree. Here, the given measure is only x. One angle is x. This is a given measure. In the regular pentagon, all sides and all angles are equal measures. All sides are equal length and all angles are equal measures. One angle is x is given. Therefore, we get x plus x plus x plus x plus x. This regular pentagon, the regular pentagon is all measures are equal, all angles are equal. Therefore, x plus x plus x plus x plus x equal to 540 degree, which implies 5x equal to 540 degree. Then x equal to 540 degree is divided by 5. Now to transpose this 5 to the right hand side. Now to divide 540 by 5, we get 108 degree. Now our unknown measure x is 108 or 108 degree. Okay, thank you.